Good morning. Good morning. Good day, everyone. Great to see you guys. Hey, how do you feel? Great to have you here, chat. Great to have you here, community. Wow. How do you feel, guys, today? How's your day happening? How's your day going? Good evening, chat. Good day, everyone. Come on. $100,000 in 3 giveaways we're doing today. Get ready. Get ready. We've got $100,000 to be shared today. Make sure to invite your community, your friends, your neighbors, all the trading groups. Come on, guys. Let's just do that. We're live, and we're doing $100,000 in 3 giveaways today. Good morning, good evening. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Well, we've got a lovely day, I would say. Nasdaq is looking pretty good. Pretty good out here for the Nasdaq 15-minute approach. We've talked some liquidity and then drastically revisiting daily volume at average price. But look at that scenario that we've got there, guys. So there's 3 significant points: yesterday's high, today's high, and last month's low, sitting slightly above us. Yeah, trade C. Exactly. I'm going to talk about a trade C, guys. I'm going to talk about it, and I'll let you know more details on that side. I might have to test it, make a tutorial. Good day, everyone. I think I'm going to do it, guys. Lucid Flex. Yeah, we're going to talk about it. It's going to be presented on my channel. Good day, guys. Great to have you on board. Ready to continue trading. Very exciting about this account here, which is day number 5 today. We have traded 4 sessions. We've made 5,700 during 4 days for the YRM, 150,000 instant funded. So I'm very excited for that because it's quite close to the payout. YRM have decided to extend their Valentine's promotion. 5,700 in 4 days. We need 8 days of trading. Today's the 5th. And we got to bring another 2,300 on top of this. So I'm going to get started and trade with this account first. And I'll see if I can monetize around $500 to $600. Look at that lovely move we have. Look at that lovely move. For the Wednesday, February 18th, we've got FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. EST time. And that's pretty much red folder for the USD. Tomorrow we've got unemployment claims. And a lot going on through the Friday with the PCE and GDP. Right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Great to have you guys. So happy to have you on board here. This is the way we're positioned for the 5-minute. Got rejected from yesterday high 922. Instantly got rejected from that. And I think we would actually continue even lower. Let's see. I got into my short, guys. I got into my short here. And I'm out. It's $626. That's the total we need, guys. $626 profit secured for the YRM. Day number 5. We're sitting on 156,330. That means we need another $1,700 for the payout. Celebration time within the next 3 days. Celebration time, guys. We need 3 more days of $600, and we're taking the payout. This is going to be the first payout from YRM since they made the new rules. So actually, the first payout with the $8,000 target on the 150K instant funding account, guys. Right? Not bad. Not bad. And I'm done with this. I'm going to lock it up. I'm going to say daily lockout. You can edit your risk as well here for the YRM Volumetrica. Put a daily loss limit, daily profit limit, weekly loss, weekly profit, right? Inhibit changes until next session. And then daily lockout, which is what I'm going to do for this account. That's all. No more risk involved. Happy to be out here and trade the right direction. Continuing with the other ones. We have this one, which I guess the other one is very interesting. This one is very interesting. I mean, it has $2,085, and today it's going to be the 3rd session. So I'll try to see if I can do like more than 1,000 here today. And then this one that was down. It was down a lot. Yesterday we made good money. But the first trading day, it wasn't the greatest. 4,500 down. And then yesterday we've recovered 1,500 from that. So we're still down 3,000. And I'm trying to go for a $1,500 target. Right, so thank you guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. We're having a great time. We started trading, so we're going to trade today, you know, the YRM, the Lucid, all those accounts that we usually trade. If I got time, I'm going to trade the Tap 1 Futures Trade-Evade account, which has a huge target there. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Great to have you on board. Happy about the whole process. Retesting for a little trade here. Retesting for a little trade here. Markets could nicely bounce. If the price action does not become miserable. Let's go, guys. Temporary support here. Hope you have a lovely day, guys. Yesterday we had an excellent day. Excellent day. Stop loss and break even. Secured some of the profits. Great. We've got $400 secured, leaving the rest of it open. And I'm gonna trail. 400 has been secured, guys. That's gonna be 2 out of 2. Yeah, 450 profit. We're going to take that all day long. Celebration time. This is a fireworks show. And then it becomes sometimes a trading show too. Boom. Come on. Time to celebrate, guys. Time to spread up the good energies. And we've got this great target here. Certainly I'm not going to trade this one anymore. Yeah. I said I'd like to make another minimum 1 grand here today. But I got plenty of days. And this 450 feels great right now. So I'll take that. I'm going to daily lock out. There you go. Daily lockout. Confirm. 3 sessions. 3 sessions. We're trading 150,000 instant funded that are heavily discounted with Scramble coupon code. Way more than what they're discounting on their platform. I'm having 450 for the 150,000 instant funded. 450 price instead of 540. 6,000 bucks maximum drawdown, 8,000 is your target, which is less than the industry standards where you have it at 9,000, and that's basically the 6%. And then you have the challenges, which are quite interesting as well, around 64 bucks right now for the 50k. Yeah, I've successfully lost yesterday pretty much everything I had to. Yep. And I've managed to push the green button today. For the account, we nicely passed the evaluation yesterday, completely passed a Lucid Flex 150,000. Today we pushed the green button. We have upgraded the account into the funded stage. So we have a Lucid Flex 150,000 funded that we're starting to trade today. Yeah. Yes, for the 150,000 you have to make 8,000 and then you request your payout basically. Exactly. That's the right way, Chris. Industry standards are sitting around 9,000 for a 150,000 account, which is 6%. They made it 1,000 lower with that, and that's just feeling great. Respect 20% consistency and you're good to go. Right, so that 6,000 buffer and max loss limit is so helpful. Very, very helpful. Plus the payouts are 3,000 bucks. 90 to 10 split. Anything on the platforms or these days is 90 to 10 pretty much. So 2,700 net payout. I was thinking about the shorting side, honestly. And the way we've got into the rejection and considering it's, you know, London. With all the wicks there, it was clear that we're not receiving acceptance above. Yeah, we pushed. We pushed. And the market makers punished. Retracing. And then what happens right now is just normal continuation. So should have switched over shorts. Should have switched into shorts. Yep. Thank you guys. Yes. Profit King, you certainly want to contact their support and they're going to solve it. It's just the way it works. Any problems correlated with the platforms and infrastructure of the servers are being solved by great day. We're having 140 people on stream right now and just about 55 likes, so there is basically 90 people missing. There's not going to be any giveaway without hitting the target. We have to start doing targets again like we did back in the day. This is a minimal exercise. And I'm going to continue trading here with this one, which I like to make around 1,500, 1,600. Daily VWAP 847, 200 EMA 834. Gotta be careful of those too. You can nicely and easily slide into 834. How does the giveaway work exactly? You complete the form. Yes, it takes some time, yes. You're going to be updated. I know you've been asking me like 10 times already. But you have to slow down. I said you will be updated, so you don't want to continue spamming me. Especially on private. I'm not gonna be... You'll have to wait, especially we don't like that kind of attitude. You'll have to wait. Relax a little bit, calm down. 200 EMA being touched here, guys. Testing out for a bouncing. Testing out for a bouncing. Might grab the momentum and then ride it. Yep. I wish we would have winners that are way more popular in our community, or I wouldn't say popular, but certainly active. I'm out of this trade, guys. $700 made, $700 made. What I said earlier, we could just slide into the 200 EMA 834. Grab your stream on a reply, 717 profit, exactly from that standpoint. Celebration time. This is 3 out of 3 on all the 3 accounts here for the YRM. Look at that one, guys. Come on, let's go. Like the video, be subscribed. I've been telling everyone, purple line 834, which is sitting right below the daily VWAP. You can nicely slide into. Nicely. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah, I wish there would be more people that are, you know, kind of active in our community and contributing and doing that would actually win these giveaways. Because sometimes it happens that you never hear about the guy. It's zero contribution, and the only reason it's here is for the giveaways. And I am respecting, of course, but I would wish we would be able to reward users that are proactive with our community in a different way. Relonging this one, guys. Could be a temporary bottom here. We're sitting on the daily VWAP, so give it enough time. Even if we just wick below, I'm opening my quant tower for Lucid Flex Trading. Discord is not the same activity like the live streams. This is the place basically where the live streams. 858 for my exits. Yeah, so congratulations for passing the YRM account. Congratulations for that. So keep that in mind. With YRM, you get your account usually in a few hours or tens of minutes. You could have it in the same day. You want to verify your dashboard inside your deep chart and volumetrica. You want to verify that, because that's the place it's going to be updated. So usually it happens within the same day. Just discovered deep charts, love it. What's your strategy? Well, I'm a momentum trader, I'm a scalper. Momentum trader from some meaningful points based on the price action, based on the technicals, diving deep into it. This would be an interesting spot here. As soon as the level holds and gives me a little bouncing, I'm going to control this loss. Look at that. 5-minute rejection here would be juicy, guys. Would be absolutely needed. Would be absolutely needed. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Buenos dias. Great to see you. I guess you should be able to see an Apex coupon. I don't think so. You want to verify Scramble, but I don't think so. I don't know. No idea with the Apex. We're not trading there. We certainly have superior opportunities, so... Yeah, the majority of the people from our community are not active on Discord, and that's perfectly fine, so it's not an issue for sure. It's hard to see what you bought. It's perfectly visible here. 841, 817 test. We got some Lucid. We got some Lucid Flex trading, guys, on Quant Tower in the evaluation stage. Lucid Flex in the evaluation stage. We need another 1,500 here. And we're passing 3 more. I mean, we're not passing. We're having half of the passing necessity, which is 9 grand, right? I mean, we're completing the day. If that would be the case, straight copy trading on 3 account Lucid Flex. And also getting some... you should be able to sign up for the giveaway. It's located here. Passing accounts by copy trading me. Sometimes I'm telling you places that I'm interested, such as the one where we're sitting here for a bouncing, and you could utilize that in your favor if the market gives you the opportunity to monetize it, right? Let's just find it out what's happening here. Oh, that's a pretty sad rejection we just had. That's a pretty sad rejection we just had. 842 for my exit here, guys. 842, look at that. The question is, can we get it? Can we get 842? So I can... Oh! That's an ugly selling pressure that came through. Have a good day, guys. It would be quite unfortunate to smash through the two levels, the daily VWAP and the 200 EMA, so close to each other. Smashing through them without any bouncing would be quite unfortunate, I would say. Weekly and daily opening pretty close to each other. 789, 773. Not the easiest situation to trade. If this is missing on holding, then there is a significant risk of another 40-50 points from here downwards. Gotta cut my losses, if that's the case, as quickly as possible. Lucid is running their 40% off nicely. On my code, Lucid Flex is no consistency and target. Amazing. Amazing for the majority of the people. Probably this is kind of the exciting way to deal with a evaluation account, having no consistency and target on the funded stage. Yeah. You know, 18 is not an issue. The problem is if it's lower, right? Well, if we get a pretty strong bounce from that level, I am certainly going to be satisfied with it. Yeah, it's lovely. I had to accept a partial loss. Got a little too exposed there. We'll climb back into yeah. Let's see what we get out of this possibility of bouncing. What's better, Lucid Flex or Lucid Black? I made a video comparing them. Just check that out on my channel. Once we finish the stream, or you can check that out right now, I've made a video comparing them. We're 10 minis. We're 10 minis long on this 3 accounts on Lucid Flex 150,000 right now. 10 minis. Oh my gosh, what a silly rejection, guys. We can do better. We would have the flat opening coming through soon, guys. Come on. If it's needed. and if it's allowed. If it's needed and if it's allowed. Just a little momentum. And there you go. Time to bounce. Time for some lovely bouncing. We got $3,200 profit on this 3 accounts today. Obviously, we shouldn't not lose that, but looks quite juicy, guys, for the bouncing. Our target is pretty much close, and it's certainly not requiring anything wild from the bulls. I use instant funded from YRM, which is having their targets less than 6% for the 150,000, for example. The target is not at 9,000, which is a 6%, is at 8,000. Payout is $3,000, and it's $450 right now. $450 with my code instead of $540. With their code officially discounted by them, and on top of that we have a $6,000 end of the day drawdown, so it's not trailing. And then I trade Lucid Flex accounts here for Quantower. I'm gonna trade my first Flex account that it's not first, but I'm gonna trade my only Lucid Flex funded account that we have. I just opened a trade here. Fresh, guys. The one we passed yesterday. The one we've passed yesterday. First day of a Lucid Flex funded. You know, they're very, very valuable. Look at that many rejections that we're seeing. Not that excited about it. I'm gonna leave here a nice position, and I'll take care about the other accounts, which are needing a couple of points. With 10 minis we've got open, we only need $1,200. Each point is how much? Is $200 each point, right? We need 6 points, something around that. On 10 minis. Looks like we're I'll have a limit order there. And another one. I mean, that's the maximum 4 minis I can have. We got the flat hourly opening. Let's see the reaction of it. I'll put a stop loss there for this account, which is funded. Very important for the funded account to do the right things. Four minis, because you're limited because of the scaling, right? On the funded stage with the 150, with each account basically. Lucid Flex, there is a scaling plan on the funded stage. There is no scaling plan on the evaluation. Right, so you're starting with max 4 minis, which kind of quickly goes up to 10 minis as soon as you make some little profits. Especially that, I mean, you know, we've been downtrending here, and once we release the pressure, we're gonna look great. In this stage of the account, 5 days of $250 allows me to go for the payout. 5 days of $250. Yet I am back to this one with 10 minis, which is a little down. Come on, guys, just a little bit more. My gosh. We would have 4,500 on 3 accounts with that. You would need another day of 4,500 and we would be good. Yeah, a lot of the people have been using them in the past months. Yes, for sure. A lot of the people made money. Yeah. A lot of the wicks we have here certainly not comfortable for majority of people to trade in this situation. Come on, guys. Just a little bit more. Oh my gosh. We need 6 points above my entry. We're at 10 minutes, $200 per point. We need 1,200. What do you mean short? We're sitting in a long. And there you go, $4,535 completed. $4,535 completed, guys, on 3 accounts. Look at that. This one too, 4,585. And then 4,610. Celebration time. Celebration time. And then the first funded day here, I'm selling half of it. And I'm putting a trailing here. Let's see the first funded day. How much we made? Plus on the other side, oh, look at that one, $2,400 profit here. Ho ho, I'm selling partially. We made a little more. But we're looking great, guys. And the trailing has been touched here, $606 for the first day. First day inspiration. Thank you, guys. First day in the funded stage for this account. I think it's enough, right? Would you keep trading, guys, or 600 would be enough? I think it's enough, guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what a day so far. What a day so far, guys. What a day so far. Thank you so much. Might get another entry here. But not with 2 contracts, with a single contract, a limit order here. 8.15. Yeah, I don't know if we get that chance. However, there is supply here for the 1 minute on 840s. $600 for the first day. Prop firms getting terrified once again. So 3 accounts making 4,500. That means I need 4,500 extra. But not today, because there is 50% consistency. Not today. And I think this consistency helps in the evaluation stage to slow things down. Otherwise, I'm telling you guys honestly, most of the people would actually go for the entire target today, which is 9,000. And they would certainly, most of them, lose the whole account, right? So they would lose the 4,500 they made today, plus the max loss. That's end of the day balance. So that means an additional another 4,500. They would lose 9 grand if they would actually be allowed to pass the evaluation in a single day. The Lucid Flex evaluation. So that 50% consistency actually helps in the evaluation phase. We are on fire. It is certainly like an anthem. Who's in fire today, guys? Come on. I'll have to go for a singer. Have to go for a singer, for a DJ out there and make the song, right? And we're gonna put the song while we release the pressure. I'll put the song. Just have to make it. We gotta record it. I got some more challenges. I actually bought more than 5 challenges. You can pass your challenges and keep them on pause. .12AC is the graphic designer. He is going to take care about video. Lovely, we're printing here, guys. We're printing Unstoppable. We got a trailing for the YRM. And it's a good life. And then for Lucid, let me see what we can do for Lucid. Because we got more evaluations that I have not traded yet. You actually have 2 more that I haven't traded. It's not an issue you're passing more than 5 accounts. The most important part is to be able to trade at your highest volume and speed, right? So that kind of helps you to quickly recover when an account is lost. If you have something that's waiting to be activated, to be upgraded, that's just lovely, right? I think that's just lovely. I sold some more here. And I got into a short on my other Lucid Flex accounts that are in the evaluation stage and they're fresh. 10 minis short, guys. 10 minis short. Copy trading 2 accounts. If we pass all this, we're gonna have 6 Totally. One is already funded. Bring it down, baby. Come on. Limit order. Right there, my limit order. 4,500. 815. Bring it down, baby. So, do you think our 930s candles will respect the EMAs and pop up? Lovely profit so far. Give me another 15 points here, guys, and I'll take max profit 4,500. So, respecting the EMAs, you'd like to see a breakout of today's high, 962. That's what you would like to see. Eric. $962, bouncing 130 points from here. We have a 15-minute trending line here that's significant, guys, and you should not underestimate that. Look at this one. Right? So, we could actually bounce from here. This is a 15-minute situation. That trending line used to reject us. Used to be a line of resistance. We've been breaking out earlier, retesting, and we might be bouncing off the line. So I'm in a short right now for my Lucid accounts. I don't know if it's the best idea looking at that specific line. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna trail here. Yeah, I'm trailing there. I'm actually trailing above this candle, guys. Once we turn this candle green, I'm out. Because it's clear that this is a temporary space that could actually give me another 10 points to the upside and then just wipes my profit away. So better securing 1,130 and have the fireworks, right? Better securing 1,130 there. Might have been too ambitious about requesting 4,500 earlier on that. So let's just keep it real, guys, and look at a price analysis and just, you know, we've been trailing. That's why we made money here. You can easily get 10 points to the upside here if it bounces, and then it kills your 1,000 bucks without any sense. So you want a better trail and take that profit. Especially I've seen right now the trending line here that I missed on my technicals earlier. And I could get a bouncing off the line, which I'm not supposed to be in a short if that happens. Right, I'm gonna zoom in and... This is a pretty strong level here. I mean, even with the weekly and daily opening, guys, it just sticks to the theory of being a strong level. There's about 50 points range here where you could actually get a strong level of support formed. Not essentially you have to get into the weekly and daily opening, but starting from here to that point, you can actually get down to 773 and still not be bearish. Right? Get down 773 and still not be bearish. Still be part of a structure that could give you a proper support. I got into a long here right now for our accounts that we traded earlier. We still have 14 minutes to go for the market opening. 8 minis that are traded here. Let's go. Yeah. Trailing is very important, guys. as soon as your thesis is under danger, you have to trail as quickly as possible. Right? So trailing allows you to collect profits that otherwise you wouldn't collect. Most of the time you would actually. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely movement, guys. Keep it printing. Keep it printing. We just talked about the risk of the markets bouncing from here. The 1 minute shows refusal and acceptance below the 130s. And now it's ripping. 853 for my final target here. That secures me 4,500 on both accounts. 853. And then I did this, guys, here. We have 2,000 profit, made another 2,000, a little too much, but I'm gonna lose it at some point of the day because this is not good for consistency. It's a little too much, guys, here for the YRM what we made. Yeah, I couldn't stop, not trade it, and take advantage of this great opportunity. I'll have a stop loss break even here. Same thing. Oh my gosh, look at the fake price section. What are they doing? They are hunting, guys, my great trade. They are hunting me. Yeah, I mean, holding past 853 is not a bad point for sure. It's just that because of the consistency, I don't need more. Yeah, that was a quite significant rejection here that comes into a parallel candle. I don't like it. I've been kicked out of my YRM trade. And I've been trailed out of this one too. Oh my gosh, what a silly price action, guys. This is why you need to use trailings and get yourself protected. Look at that. I mean, we made $100, that's fine, but at some point we were up 2,000. And you see, how many people got trapped? Let me tell you something honestly right now. How many people got trapped on that powerful, strong 1 minute candle we closed? How many people got trapped there? And how easily is to get trapped by seeing that momentum, seeing the price structure. You see all that price structure and you say, well, look at that. We just broke out, you say. We just broke out with momentum, we closed nicely. And then as soon as the new candle starts, guys, the market is dumping. It's not dumping during the same candle. They want to show you that we're closing with strength. Right? They want to show you that we're closing up with strength and we are supposed to continue. So as soon as the very next candle opens, they are dumping it aggressively. And that's the place the liquidity is created. That's the place basically the stop losses and the trailings are hit. That's good. You've closed it when you made a new high. We had daily volume with an average price sitting there. We were up 844. That's why we got rejected, very likely. Let me share with you guys. Look at that. All the dots. They're speaking. Market opens in 8 minutes. I'll take a break of 1 minute break. 1 minute break. I'll be right back in a single minute, guys. In the meantime, like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord, subscribe to the channel with notification bell, and complete the form to participate in the 3 giveaways we have. We do 100 grand today in 3 giveaways. Good. So, I'm back in a minute. Excellent time. Excellent time. We are back. Thank you. We've been told by the market makers that any push before the New York session starts can very easily be reversed, guys. So take that message accordingly. Do not underestimate it. Let me see what's happening next week on the calendar. CPI and PPI. On the 24th, Tuesday, CPI. But not for the US. No, not CPI for the US. Yeah, for Australian dollars. Australian dollars. Yeah. Now, we only have on USD on Thursday, unemployment claims, and then PPI, basically. PPI for the USD, yeah. Right, so the opening could be very risky. Let's see what does the algo brings right now in the 5 minute. You can do this thing, right? You can do this thing. It is a scenario. You can do that thing. Apex is 90% off. Ha ha ha. Apex could be 99% off. And I'm not touching it. And, you know, 90% of the community members are not touching, maybe 95%. Not touching it, guys, it could be even 100% off. Right, this is a situation we could face at the opening. Market is ranging at this point, is giving enough time. People usually say, well, that's a lovely spot to accumulate, a lovely spot to get some exposure. We've been holding, we've been respecting the support. Might not be the same thing once we open, guys. Markets might just want to run this deeper and then could, yeah, exactly. Right, so they could actually discount at exactly Mr. Knifeart 110% and still not taking it. Look at that. No, I want an environment that is allowing me to take care about my proper trading. And this is clear for the Lucid, for the YRM. These guys are, you know, giving you top-notch opportunities. And obviously, we have the top on futures. We've got a Savius, which is something I'm going to trade today as well. Yesterday, we copy traded 5 accounts on Savius. We made 1,500. We got 2 back-to-back days, obviously, back-to-back days of 1,500 for Savius instant funded. Look at that, guys, here in the 1 minute. We do see rejections, but I'm afraid. I'm afraid longing it. The chance of getting denied is bigger than the discount value. Most of the time is sitting on triple digits. Asking for videos of your trading, asking for videos with your hands, with your face, and whatnot. Ticker cat, there you go. 100% right on that. Well, look at this one, guys. We're quite juicy here. Imagine the amount of people that longed this structure. Imagine. I'm going to put it here for you guys to see it. Or I'm going to put it higher. Look at that. So imagine the amount of people that longed this structure. Seeing all those wicks downwards. Seeing all that denials and acceptance below the price action, how many will just long it and hope it's gonna rip? And then the New York session starts. And if it takes the lows, all those guys are getting stuffed out. So that's the liquidity that the market makers are needing. Where's my pen, guys? I don't have my pen here. Probably kids have been playing around and there's no more pen here. All right. So a minute to go and it opens. And I'd like to trade. I put a price action at the top of the screen because I want to see the drop. Weekly, daily. What do we target, guys? We talked about earlier. Weekly, daily, 30 seconds to go. Weekly opening, daily opening. Look at that. 789, 773. 20 seconds to go. It was a trap market holding around that level, 830s, for dozens of minutes. It was a trap. We're putting the opening bell. Best of luck, everyone. Wow. I got in along here. Daily opening, or just test a daily opening right now. There's a little aggressiveness, right? Look at that, guys. We're already trading above the daily opening here. It's gonna be juicy. Ha 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 ha. Printing already. Bring it all the way back. Bring it all the way back. Come on, guys. Bring it all the way back. Ha 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 ha. Ha. I'm out. Lovely. We made some good money. And on the other side, we have a long here making tremendous amount of money. I'm out of this. $7,629. $7,629 here for the YRM. I wish this would have been on the Lucid, but it's good. We're going to take it one by one, and we're going to lose some money here. We don't need that much, guys. We don't need that much. We're going to lose some money here. I've relonged it. We made way too much there, and I'm going to relong it here. Lovely 2 contracts long. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Come on. We have to lose like $6,000 for the Lucid, for the YRM. 6 grand for the YRM. That's how much we have to lose. And then here we need to do another 2 grand. Lovely pump. Come on. Now we need a strong and powerful candlestick. Keep it running, boys. Oh my gosh. I sold half of it. And I'm going to put a break even. We have 3,100 secured. 3,100 secured, guys. So we made on 3 accounts 4,500 today on the flex. That are evaluations, and now on 2 accounts we have pretty good money. On 2 more. Look at that. I'm out. $4,324 here. 4,324, and then on the other side, instead of losing, we're printing. I'm out for the moment. $9,762 over here as well. Time to celebrate, guys. Time to celebrate and rush. Rush. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We just made 5 accounts today on Lucid. Flex evaluation of 150,000. 5 accounts. The target of the day, 4,400. 5 accounts, guys. Can you believe that? Plus 1 that's already funded. We made 606 the first day. And then on YRM, we made crazy money. 9,762. For consistency reasons, I have to do a lot less. And I'm going to start re-entering here long. Because we got to lose like 8 grand. We got to lose 8 grand. Help me, guys. Lose some money. 8 grand needs to be lost. I'm switching off Lucid on Quantower and I'm moving to Savius. Hey, there you go, Badger. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, guys. I can smell the price action. Look at that. We have 5-digit profit here already. Come on, Quantower. Gotta lose, guys. Can we? Can we lose something? We need to lose, like I said, 8,000 here. 8,000 needs to be lost. In order for that to happen, I need basically the price action to lose this level and drop. For the moment, daily and weekly holds, right? For the moment, it holds. Gotta do something. Scrambles and fire, guys. Prop firm is getting terrified. Prop firm is getting terrified big time again. But there's nothing we could do. We gotta lose 8,000 here. I actually want no mercy. Come on. Reverse and dump it. It's not supposed to take longer nowadays. It's still maybe tens of minutes, maybe not just 1, 2, 3 minutes, maybe, you know, 5, 10, something like that. Exactly, Sean. Look at that, guys. We're making money instead of losing, and I'm making money on... We opened Savius. We have 10 grand on Savius. Look at that. What the hell is happening here, guys? Look at that. $13,000 here on Savius. $13,000 on Savius. Oh my gosh, we have to lose so much today. We've made way too much, guys. You know, I've been DCing here. Hopefully it comes back. We gotta lose. Stop loss. There you go. We gotta touch that. Exactly, Quantum, you can do that. But sometimes I'm letting my winners run and I'm practicing for the Lucid Flex. You can set a daily profit limit. But I like to practice this way because it helps my trading for the Lucid Flex, which is no consistency in target. A ton of money has been made today, guys. A ton of money. And hopefully this is not going to rip from here. Hopefully they will take some liquidity from the low. 733. They give me that. They give me that. But now it's time to lose some money on the dirty Savius. 13 grand. Unbelievable, guys. This one has 10,000. We just opened right now to trade. So we gotta lose 9. There you go. From this account, we gotta lose that. We gotta touch that specific level. Hopefully it's not gonna rip. Hopefully it's not gonna rip. Exactly. What, 25,000 incoming? Nah. All DCA. We have 14 minis. Put a new. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Lovely rejection. Lovely rejection. We got the break even there. What about the other one? The other one is making continuously. It's printing. My gosh, guys, 7,000 here. We have 9. What do I do, guys? We need to touch that stop loss there. 7705. Come on, guys. Consistency. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Are we going back to yesterday's high? 9,000 profit. You have to stop this, guys. Come on. You gotta stop this, guys. You gotta stop this. 10,000 profit, guys. We have to lose this money. We gotta lose this money today, guys. It's 10,000 profit. I'm out of this thing before it rips higher. I'm out of this thing before it rips higher. Oh my gosh, 19,895. You're not gonna get fireworks for this, guys. On 20% consistency, how much is it? 19,800. You're not gonna get fireworks for this. You're not gonna get fireworks for this. I'm trading against. Lovely. Come on. We need to lose 17,000. 17,000. We already have 2 grand profit on the trade we got into here. Oh my gosh. 19 grand, guys. We gotta lose it. Come on, bring it down here. Now, hopefully it's not gonna keep going. No fireworks for that money, because we have consistency here. We gotta lose some from Savius too. We have 13 grand on Savius. And it's ripping again. We have 3,000 profit, guys. Again, if it breaks out, continues. What do I do? Oh my gosh. I'm never going to be able to go for a payout here, guys. It's $25,000 there. Look at that. Instead of having these numbers on a funded flex, where you have no consistency and no target. Come on, bring it down. We need to lose 17 grand. This is a disgrace, guys. This is a disgrace. A disgrace. Not a bad company, my funded futures, but we deal with much better ones. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. At least we got rejected here. That's the trending line. We just got rejected right now. Look at that. But things could actually get ugly and continue. Bring it down, guys. Come on. You have to join our Discord to be able to participate in the giveaways. Join our trading community for free, guys, on Discord. There you go. Make sure to join, guys. Join our Discord community. If you want to participate in today's giveaways and daily giveaways, you have to join our Discord. Like the video, be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Last couple of days, we were struggling and needing to fight with losses. Look at that one, guys. We're 20 grand up. I'm going to be here till 9 PM probably. But hopefully we get... Look at that lovely dump. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna get a problem by doing that with a prop firm. You know, if you have to lose like $200, it's not a problem, but I have to lose 17,000. I'm still in my long here, guys. I'm still in my lovely long. Let's hit that stop loss. Come on, 714. Yep. It's not a bad loss here. Not a bad loss, guys. We can do it. Look at that. Fake to the upside, and then fake to the downside. Yeah, on gold is a little bit different, right? 25,000. If it bounces here, I'm in danger because that's a lower high. That's a higher low. I'm gonna be in a dangerous spot if it bounces here. You gotta do something, guys, and help me. You shouldn't let me down. Just press that red button, guys. Pull up your 5,000 contract trades. Pull up. Silver, gold is a lot easier and faster for sure. You get punished by the consistency. Well, not everywhere for sure. Hit the like, everyone. Come on. But this is instant funded. Like, you can't have an instant funding account without I've let my Lucid flex at 13 grand. 13 grand Lucid, not flex, sorry, Savius. We made earlier money, Savius. Lucid's Savius accounts 13 grand profit. I've let it like that, and I'm gonna try to do it with consistency. The problem is you have a daily loss limit of 2,000 bucks. We'll try to do it. We'll be ripped from here, guys. Look at that. $13 grand for Savius. YRM still running their Valentine's promo, which has been extended. And then the Lucid is 40% off if you, on any evaluation, first 5 purchases. Oh my gosh, guys, we're pumping. And this is no joke. We're probably going to run so hard here. I gotta do something. I'm still gonna hold it a little bit. We might get a rejection here and then a massive dump. I don't know if it's likely or not. It does not look that likely. Look at that. you have a limit on the contract sizing. You just cannot do any contracts. You have a limit on the sizing. Well, look at it, Jake, what we have here. Look at that, Jake. What's happening, Jake? I think that's a bug, right? Well, look at that, Jake. Tell me, what's the solution, Jake? What's the solution for today? I'm struggling. 150 minis? When's the fireworks? We don't have fireworks. For the past 20 minutes, we didn't have fireworks because we were just printing and we gotta lose for consistency. Look at that silly, guys. It's just keep going up. It's 25 grand profit. We have to lose on 25 grand profit in a day. Look at that, guys. It's going up. It's 177,000. When do I take this account to the payout? In 2028. It's 27,000, guys, and it's still ripping. Haha, this is the Lucid funded account, guys. This is the Lucid funded account we have. The only funded account we have that we closed today on 600 bucks profit. And I've opened another trade. This is a Lucid funded account of 150,000 flex. I got into a long 4 contracts. That's the maximum sizing once you start. 4 minis. I got into a long. This is great money we're making here, guys. And I'm out of this. So $4,882 on great money. Good money. Let's put it that way here. Good money. Because this is a funded account. And it's no consistency on target. Look at that one, guys. And then here, I'm gonna cut it, guys. This is no way. 30,528. 30,528. It would be nice to be on Flex, but I did have a trade on Flex Trade, the Momo. Look at that. It would be nice to have it all on Flex. Yet I did open earlier on Flex and we made close to 5 grand. Look at that. 30 grand 528. Time to lose it. 30 grand on 20% consistency. Tell me, guys, 30 grand times 5. It's not hard to do the math, right? Let me try the Nasdaq. No longer micros, but minis right now. Minis. What's the limit on the contracts? Seven minis. Seven minis long. Where's my daily P&L? The daily P&L disappeared, guys. Look at that. Where's the daily P&L? And why does it say minus $17? We made 30 grand. It's in the balance. It's 180. Where's the daily profit, guys? We've made another 2,000 here. We're making more and more. But where's... We just messed the whole platform up. We just messed up the whole thing. Look at that. It shows me daily P&L 1,900 and we have an equity of 182. Oh, because I changed to that's why. Because I changed the contracts probably, right? So I gotta go back to MNQ. MNQ, come on. 30 grand there. Look at that. That's real. Now I got surprised because I never done this on volumetric. I never changed the contracts and seeing those different. I always traded the micros on Nasdaq. So 30 grand 500 here. And then the NQ is another 1,900. Oh, it's split it between the instruments. That's why. Oh my gosh, guys. What do we do right now? We have like 32,500. What do we do? 32,500 profit. You know, if I leave it like this, it's gonna be an interesting challenge. Let's just vote for people here in the community. Let's just vote. Start a poll. Listen up, guys. If we are leaving it like this, we have 32,500. Do 32,500 times 5. We have to make $162,000. 162 grand profit to take my payout. But let me tell you guys something. Should I leave it like this and try to go the next days as well on big profits? Let me ask you. We can do a challenge like this. You know, I'm down to it. You know, it's for $50. The other account is close to the payout. It's a good challenge, I think. It's an interesting challenge. Look at that. Do I have any chance? I've never tested. I always went for a loss and brought it back in the consistency range. I always went for a loss. But this is having no daily loss limit. So we gotta lose here more than 30 grand. We gotta lose more than 30 grand, guys. I get 3,000. 3,000 is the payout. So 10% of what I made today. Let me ask you in a pool, guys. Start a pool. I'm starting the pool. Let me know your opinion, guys. I'm starting the pool. Let me know your votes. Get into the votes and let me know. Should I keep it and go for the challenge, guys? Keep it, big bowls, or chicken out and lose? I feel like I'm paying $450 the price of the account that I paid for an experiment like this. So, instead of being paid and do such experiments, I am the one paying for it. 58% is voting for keep it. The challenge will be $32,500 is my day today. That's the challenge. So 32,500 is my day today, my highest day. I guess a lot of the people do not see that 30 grand. Let's just get back to the micros and then people can see that. 30 right there and 2,000 on the other side. So 32,500 is my day today. You gotta do 5x because it's 20% consistency. Look at that. 59% of the people say we should keep it like this and go for the big balls. It's good that I've exited. It's good that I exited out of my trade, guys. But I'm very, very happy about it. Boom! This 4,800 we have on the Lucid Flex. What is it? First day, Lucid Flex. First day funded stage. This is funded. This is the only funded we have, and then we have 5 evaluations. Yeah, that's 6. It's more than the max, but I'm not gonna get all of them activated if I pass. But this is massive here, guys. Alright, so I'm ending the pool. 64%. 64% told me to keep it. Keep it like this. 64% set to keep it like this. I'll accept the challenge, guys. I'll accept the challenge. I'll keep it like this. And I'll try to do 5 times. The value we've made today. We have to do... Oh my gosh, good job to hear from you. Good job. So, I think, you know, that's going to be an interesting challenge. You guys will have the opportunity. You know, my max loss is $32,000 away. $32,000 away is my max loss. 32 grand. I have a huge buffer right now. 32 grand. So I'm going for the challenge, guys. I've accepted the challenge. I'm going for the challenge. If I trade micros, it's hard to lose 30,000, right? If I trade micros. Oops. We're printing another 1 grand here. Stop loss and break even. We have shorted. I'm out. 6,288 on the funded day. 6,288 on the funded day. I'm gonna repeat that. I didn't stop at 4,500 because this is funded. First day of being funded. 6,288. You know, I went for the short from Badger. Badger said 25,021, we might see a pullback. That's what you said, Badger. So I just went ahead and we had a little wick to the upside and I shorted that. And there you go. I've secured some good money. Thank you. Let's get to the giveaways, guys. Day limit. On the Flex, there is no day limit. 6,288, no day limit, no consistency. I'm sitting back. I got ton here. Lovely. My max loss is original balance plus 100 bucks starting by tomorrow. Same thing here. $32,000 away. No daily loss limit for the YRM. Think about it. Oh my gosh. There you go, Badger. So, I'm wondering, guys, if I pass this challenge, what's going to happen? Like if I do 32 grand times 5, what's gonna happen, guys? Will I just get the normal payout? Not even $1,000 bonus? I'm gonna seek for a bonus payout. So if I do this challenge, guys, someone needs to give me a bonus payout. Either YRM or you guys. Someone needs to give me a bonus payout. Very interesting, guys. So I'll take the challenge, and starting with tomorrow, we're gonna be into this challenge, guys. We gotta do 30 grand daily. Or we have to do 10 grand daily or 5 grand daily. But we have to produce 32,500 times 5. It's 162,500 is going to be my target. 162,500. That's how much I have to do. Plus the account was 150. So I have to bring the account somewhere around $322,000. No, I'm going for the challenge, guys, and making this money, and I'll try to trade Nasdaq. You know, we have 32 grand buffer. The good side about this, it's going to take a while to lose the account, right? So, time for the giveaways. It was a spectacular day, guys. Spectacular day. Incredible. I just cannot remember when was the last time we had a such day. Not just about this 30 grand here, not just about this, but we've been back and forth profit with all the accounts. Yes, 12 AC said 25,000, but the slip age another 5 grand and another 2 grand on the other Nasdaq, on the minis. Time for the giveaways. So we had tremendous Lucid day as well. 40% off if you're still in the first 5. I'm very surprised. Very surprised in a positive way. So I've accepted the challenge. The account is going to remain like this. 182,453. Tomorrow when we start a stream, this is the screen you're gonna see. 182,453. Write it down somewhere, guys. And write my target. 162,500 is my target. $162,500 plus 150 grand. We got to do 312,500. That's how much we got to do. Will it be a problem? We'll see. But I'm ready to put my money where my mouth is, where my word is. Put my money there. I'm a little bit lost right now, so we need a wheel. We need a wheel, guys. Come on. We need the wheel. I'm a little bit lost. It was a huge day. And look at that. I'm disappearing in the fog. I gotta adjust my... Market makers are playing with our... I'm disappearing, guys. Look at that. Now it's a little bit better. We're coming back. First giveaway we'll have. So let me see how many likes we have and what's happening here, guys. Yeah, I got a trade of it as well, which I haven't traded already for a couple of days. It's there. We've got 200 likes, 223 watching. So listen up, guys. How you participate, you make sure you fill up the form. We're going to have 3 accounts today. Not 3 giveaways, 3 accounts. Because in the first giveaway, we're going to share 2 accounts. Right? So first giveaway will consist of 2 accounts. How to join the giveaway? Fill up the form. Like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel with the notification bell turned on. Turn on the notification bell. And join my Discord. These are the things you gotta do. I'll give you 30 seconds to do that. So first giveaway. 2 accounts. 1. Tap 1 futures. 25k Sim Pro. Second, Tap 1 futures 25k Ignite. Right. Sim Pro and Ignite, both instant funded from Tap 1 futures. I'm going to share both accounts in the first giveaway. We're not going to do them separately. So listen up, guys. Listen up. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Only 1 guess per person. You can start right now. Best of luck, everyone. From 0 to 9, each number appears once. Let's go. Start right now. Let me know your number. We had a massive day so far. It's just incredible, guys. I can't believe it. I'm telling you, the adrenaline is so high. The adrenaline is so high. It's just wild. It's so high. I'm gonna get out there and do an extra tennis lesson today. The adrenaline is too high. You make sure you join our Discord. Don't forget about it. You make sure to join our Discord. I had a 2 hours lesson today already. But the way I feel right now is just incredible. You know, all these numbers could have been on a Lucid Flex funded stage. Think about what's the opportunity with a Lucid Flex accounts. You have no consistency in target. You're making 30 grand in a day like this. You are nuts. Stop right there. No more guesses. We're going to shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Number 30271, they're not going to be. Very likely number 4 is not going to be. And probably number 6 like we had yesterday. Can you guys believe that? Yesterday we had 9 players winning on number 6. And we got this one again. It's just hitting 6 back to back. It's just hitting that number 6 back to back. Look at that. Number 6, congratulations for the winners. Congratulations, guys. Oh, Maddie. You've been right about it yesterday, too. $16. The business lens is here once again. So 16 winners. ADN, Maddie, look at that. 16 winners. You guys will compete for a minute. Because we're only going to have one more giveaway. Best of luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Best of luck out there. Maddie, you've got a red duck. You're about to be the bearish. You're about to be the bearish during the days that are pumping. Look at that, Maddie. You're dominating right now. You're supposed to be somewhere behind. So you're having the wrong management. Who's gonna speed up, guys? Tell me a little more. Oh, we got the B. We got the beer. Business Lens is speeding up, guys. We got the Business Lens speeding up once again. How on earth is that possible in the last 2 weeks? He already won 2 times. This is the 3rd time in the last 2 weeks the Business Lens is here, guys. That's incredible. This guy is extremely lucky. How is that possible? Business Lens. You have to explain this to people. In the last 2 weeks, this guy has won 3 times with this one today. Are you the owner of this website? Are you the owner of this? Did you purchase this website in the meantime? Did you purchase this? Are you the owner? Did you hack the website and you're getting into your duck race and you're controlling my pedal? Let's just verify if he completed the form. Yes, he did complete it. He never forgets about it. How is this possible, guys? Last 2 weeks, he already won 2 times, plus today. But we have the 2nd ranked, 77 BRZIL, because we said we give out 2 winners. So let's find it out. The 777 BRZIL is here as well. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yep. That's crazy. I guess with the last account you got, if you have a pair with this one, the Business Lens, with 3 accounts received in 2 weeks, if you grab a payout with this one that we're sharing today, you got to give something back to the community. At least $100 in cash. Listen up. At least $100 in cash. Because the community is already starting to get angry. And I have to stop people. And I can't stop them. There's many people already angry on you. And they're forcing me. So $100 in cash back to the community. They will buy an ice cream. They will buy something with that $100. I'm better pedal. Good luck, cheese. Right, so we've got the 2 winners of this one, and now we're starting. Now we're starting the next giveaway. And the last one for today. We're not doing today Lucid, no. Because their affiliate website is down and I couldn't grab some coupons I needed. We're waiting for the upgrade. So Lucid. Gelato. $100 gelato you get. From Venki. You have it at Venki in Florenza, right? You have the Venki. Are you still having Venki in Florenza? I remember about it. Used to be pretty good. So 50k YRM right now. In Florence. So 50k YRM. Now listen up, guys. Do not start yet. No. But you can start right now. Come on. Start right now. Start right now. There must be something much better than Venki. Much better. It's too commercial. Too commercial. Too commercial. Come on. Let's go, guys. This is a $50,000 YRM we're sharing today. Guess the number between 0 and 9. We made 32,500 today on the board with a PNL. And somehow I accepted the challenge. Somehow. Yeah, if I pass the challenge, making 5 times the money we made today on that YRM account, you guys have to do something. You guys have to do something. We got to do a community meetup for now. If we achieve that challenge, we have to do a community meetup somewhere. And then party for a whole week. 200 people, 300 people. You bring in your friends, family members. Everyone is taking off. We gotta do it, guys. If I make that challenge, and YRM has to pay for the whole thing. YRM has to pay for the whole thing, right? I'm not joking. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more, no more, no more, no more. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Community meetup. But we're waiting from business. So number 8, 3, 5, 1 are not going to be. Could be number 7, guys. Could be. Could be number 7. And I think we're going to have plenty of winners there. There you go. Congratulations. Let's go. Number 7 is very popular. I think we're going to have about 30, 40. Number 7 right there. Congratulations for the winners. Show a budget of $5,000 for each community member for the flying tickets, for the flights, the tickets. $5,000 budget. What's the next thing? Yeah, we need a list here. 20 winners. Ho ho! It's not many. So you guys gave up trusting your number 7. You guys will compete for 30 seconds. 50k YRM account. Absolutely lovely. Good luck. Six is the new 7. True. Come on. Desire, look at Desire on a British board. Desire. We've been seeing this name quite a few times, Desire. On a British board winning quite hard, look at that. There you go, Desire. Free from Desire, prop firms getting terrified, right? But today, and usually we've got not from Free from Desire, we've got Scrambos and Fire. Desire. There you go, Desire. Congratulations. Congratulations. There you go. Prop firms getting terrified, guys. You got this one completed. Winning a 50 grand YRM account. So winners, direct message me. And then wait. I'll reply. You don't have to send me on private 200 messages. The more messages you send me, the later you will get a reply. Right? So the ones that are spamming me with 20 messages. Come on, guys. Look at that. You see why I sold? Why I've exited out of my longs? There you go. We made money where Badger said 25.021. We shorted, we made money there, and that's it. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We have accepted the challenge. We're going to try to make 30 grand daily. Have a lovely day. Talk to you on Discord. Have a lovely time. Thank you so much, guys. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Exciting.